So we're gonna start some wings, and we don't use the air fryer very often, but I do think it makes great wings,
Yes,
don't you?
and you can just let them cook and do other things.
Yeah. So we're gonna start with a little olive oil. I'm just gonna brush these real good so they have a little sticky surface. And if you see us using oil, 99.9% of the time it's gonna be olive oil. I'm just gonna put enough salt, and this is kosher salt that we're using here.
That's all they need. They're delicious. Salt and
That's
pepper.
all they need, a little salt and a little pepper. Now, depending on what you're doing, if you're gonna, make something really exotic, I guess, something that's got a lot of heat in it. Nikki likes a lot of heat. And
Let's put red pepper flakes all over them.
You wanna?
Then you can eat them alone.
You wanna?
You can eat them all by yourself that way.
I kind of hold off on the heat for
Thank
Nikki
you.
because she doesn't like as much heat
No, I
as I do.
don't.
So I'm gonna turn these over on the other side. Nikki has expertly cut these wings up through their little joints and got them all prepared for consumption. So now most of your air fryer, they have an air fryer setting, they have an air roaster setting. Some of them have dehydrators on them. Ours did, I just noticed that a minute ago.
So you're going to be dehydrating. We have a dehydrator.
We do, somewhere. Okay, so a little
More salt and pepper?
And kosher salt, I don't use it for any other reason that I like the consistency of it.
Gotta have pepper.
Gotta have some pepper. All right, these go popping in the air fryer. So with these wings, we've tested it over time, and we do 15 minutes on one side, 15 minutes on the other, and you might have to flip it over just one more time to get it right. And we check the temperature to make sure it's at least 160. Usually it's around 170, 175. Oh my.
I'm excited.
And the wings look beautiful. I took the biggest, thickest one out, and it came right in at 170, which is
Beautiful.
over a little bit, but it's perfect. Just look at the golden brown
Yeah.
beauty. Oh, look at that. Oh,
Those are
just
beautiful.
look. Oh, just look. And who doesn't like chicken wings?
Everybody loves chicken wings.
I don't know if I know anybody that doesn't. I'll bet you there's somebody out there that
So
will
they
tell
don't
us
like
that
them?
they don't. That's okay.
Oh, yeah, we'll eat theirs.
Yes, please
I'll eat their share.
mail their wings to our house.
That's right.
When they're processing their chickens, we'll give you our post office box.
Good idea. You're smart.
Just put them in there. Or just send us the whole chicken. We don't care. Look at those.
Wow.
Those are perfection.
Those are
Who
beautiful.
says those air fryers aren't good for something?
They're good for wings. They
Yeah,
really
they
are.
are really good for wings. Now look at that golden brown beauty. We're gonna
Wow.
pop them in the oven just to keep warm, but look at that. Look at that. Don't you just
Beautiful.
want to eat them right now?
I do.
So here's what we've got. You remember us making? We made our own buffalo sauce. You know what? Depending on what kind of hot sauce that you use, it'd be different colors, different tastes. This is a new one that we tried that I really, really, really like.
These are for you. These are super
These are
hot.
for me.
Yes,
And I know
these are
what
for
you
you.
like. So look at there. Tell me that doesn't look like something wonderful. Now remember a
Looks
couple weeks ago
wonderful.
when we did cauliflower like this?
I do.
That's delicious too. You can do that. This is cauliflower. For those of you that might like to try this, remember this for the ball games, for those of you who like cauliflower. All right, so now we have our wonderful, beautiful Asian wings.
That's what I like.
In these we have orange marmalade, brown sugar. We have a peanut sauce that's got just a little bit of heat in it. And we have some sesame oil. We have a little bit of garlic. Take this all, mix it up, cook it down, and what do you got? Now, to make those pretty, take some toasted sesame seeds.
Perfect.
And look what we've got.
Wow.
Would you look at that spread?
This looks amazing. Oh, I want to try
Those
it.
are yours.
These are
You
mine.
love those. I put extra sauce in there for you.
Can I use the ranch?
You can use whatever you want. It's all you, baby.
Oh, wow. This looks so good. These are always good.
Look at that. Homemade ranch, homemade, by golly, buffalo sauce.
Better than you can get anywhere. Any restaurant like this.
So now obviously we made enough for us. If you want to, you got 6 people, 8 people, you just keep increasing the number of teaspoons and tablespoons
That's right.
and cups in your recipes and you'll be good.